How do I correctly set up RC, servo arms and linkages? Imagine your RC model responding perfectly to your every command. That's what proper servo arm and linkage setup can do. Let's walk through the steps to make sure your control surfaces or steering move just right. First, you want to set your servo in its neutral position. Power up the receiver and transmitter, then center the transmitter sticks and trims. You can also use a servo tester with a neutral setting. This ensures the servo output shaft is exactly in the middle, giving you a balanced starting point. Next, attach the servo arm so it sits at a 90-degree angle to the servo body. This position helps the arm move equally in both directions, giving smooth control. Secure the arm tightly onto the splined output shaft with the screw provided. The splines prevent the arm from slipping even if the screw loosens over time. Now, connect the linkage rod to the servo arm and the control surface or steering mechanism. Many linkages have adjustable ends or turnbuckles, which let you fine-tune the length. Adjusting these helps you get the control surface or wheels perfectly centered and able to move through their full range without binding or feeling loose. Before tightening everything down, check that the control surfaces or wheels are centered and move freely. Then, go to your transmitter and reset trims and subtrims to 0. Set the endpoints or travel limits to 100% to allow full servo movement. Test the setup by moving the transmitter controls and watching how the control surfaces or wheels respond. If they don't move smoothly or are off-center, adjust the linkage length or the servo arm position. Keep testing until the control surfaces or wheels are neutral when the transmitter sticks are centered, and they move through the full range without binding. Properly setting up your servo arms and linkages makes your RC model more responsive and easier to control. It also reduces wear on the servo gears and prevents control issues during operation. Remember to always center the servo first, position the arm at a right angle, and use the splined shaft to prevent slipping. Adjust the linkage length carefully and double-check your transmitter settings before final testing. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes but makes a big difference in how your RC model performs. Following these steps within your kit assembly and maintenance routines will give you reliable, precise control every time you hit the throttle or turn the steering wheel.